good feeling.
Hello, this is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing and review on this new 2019 Brownie Command Ops Pro. So first off, it does 14 MP pictures, 4 rapid fire shots in 2 seconds, HD video with audio up to 2 minutes, 32 gig SD card support, and that's not included. You got 70 feet night IR illumination, multi-shots up to 4 images, 0.5 second trigger speed, time-lapse mode plus IR trigger images, easy to program, silent image capture, runs on 6 AA alkaline batteries, and that's not included. Let's go ahead and flip it on its back here. It talks more about the camera and more specs, so let's unbox this camera. Alright, we just unboxed this new 2019 Brownie Command Ops Pro. So first off, it comes with a 6-foot strap, comes with your camera, got your instructions. On the side is a little lever, you pull this out and this pops open, and then this window opens. This right here displays what kind of camera this is and what model. On the bottom you got a screw mount. This is where the tray of batteries are. Push the eject button, this little thing pops out. Pull it out, put your batteries in, go ahead and pop it in. And they're not included. Once you hear a click sound, you're good. Here's where the SD card goes. Here's where the 12 volt goes. Here's the eject button. Here's on and off switch and for menu. Here's your display screen. This display is like how you set it up, and then time and date, and then batteries, life, and then how many pictures and how many it took and videos. On my next review, I'll show you how that works and how this quick setup works on this camera. You got OK, you got right, down, left, up. You got your camera itself, you got the night vision, you got the motion detector. So go ahead on the side, pull this little lever over, pull down, hear a click sound, you're good. This is where your security cable goes through, and that's not included. Here's where your strap goes through the camera. Here's the back, here's the bottom, here's the side, here's the other side. So far this camera looks really good. Look out for my next review on the quick setup and the mountain setup. Thanks for watching. This is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com. Subscribe and like and leave a comment below.
Yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.